Keeping track of every key point in a Zoom meeting can be challenging. Fortunately, Zoom AI Companion helps with live transcripts, summaries, and instant answers. However, these features are only available with certain paid Zoom plans. Here's how to enable and use Zoom AI Companion features. First, sign into your Zoom account through the web portal. Then navigate to the settings section. Find the AI Companion option, then toggle it on. If you want to obtain a Zoom transcript after a meeting, head over to Recording to ensure that the cloud recording option is enabled. Now let's try it. During your meeting, click on the AI Companion icon located in the toolbar, and then click the Record button on the Zoom toolbar and choose Record to the cloud to activate transcription. Once the meeting ends, Zoom will process the recording and transcription. Go back to your Zoom web portal and navigate to Recordings and Transcripts. Under Cloud Recordings, select a meeting and you can download the audio transcript file to your device for reference or sharing. If you're looking for an alternative option, consider using Tactiq. Tactiq works on Zoom to capture real-time transcripts, generate AI summary, and save everything securely at no extra cost. Learn more at tactiq.io and subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.